everyone, and welcome. In living the repaired lifestyle, you have to have a little bit of mechanical aptitude in order to keep all your equipment going. Case in point, today I'm going to be working on a Murray M2500 grass trimmer. I took and ordered a repair kit from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. And the kit not only comes with the bulb, but actually extra bulbs, the carburetor, gas line, spark plug, the whole enchilada to tune up your weed trimmer or grass trimmer, whichever one you want to call it. You don't need any specialty tools to install this repair kit. You need like a flathead screwdriver, a small spark plug wrench, things like that. Basic tools that anybody has. So let's get started. So this is the weed trimmer that I'm going to be working on. It's a Murray M2500. I went to use it the other day and the bulb actually tore in it. And while checking the bulb and all that, I noticed that my fuel lines down here had also deteriorated. So this is the kit that I bought for this particular weed eater, and it fits several other weed eaters as well. So now I'm going to open up the kit and look and see what all it includes. You got your carburetor gaskets. Looks like more than enough fuel line. A little screwdriver. I don't know what these little rubber pieces are for, but I'll find out as I disassemble the carburetor. Let's see, you got your filters, your bulb, spark plug, and your carburetor, which already has a bulb in it. So to be completely honest, this weed eater was running really well before the bulb tore up in it, and I'm kind of on the fence about replacing the carburetor and everything, when in reality all I gotta do is replace the primer bulb and the lines. So if it doesn't work, I'll just put it back the way it originally was. But the first thing I'm going to do is drain the gas out of it. Now with that out of the way, I can start disassembling it. They look similar, so we'll go with that. You got to make sure to line up all the holes on the gaskets right. All right, well, the carb swap was pretty easy. I don't think I'm going to need this full length of line, so I'm going to cut it in half. It should give me plenty plus. So, I'm putting these gas lines back together. First, I'm going to do my return line. Put my filter on it. Make sure it goes down into the bottom. Now for my other line, put my other filter on. Make sure it goes down to the bottom as well. Now I'm going to trim this black one off. Alrighty. Now I can start putting my screws back in my gas tank. With that done, I'm now going to change the spark plug. To get the spark plug out, I'm using a small spark plug socket. The spark plug that came in the kit is different than the factory spark plug, but it has this ring around it to keep it from going further up into the cylinder, so it should work. To put the spark plug from the kit in, I used a 3/4 inch socket. With the new kit installed, I'm now going to add gas and see if I can get it to start. right, so there is installing the carburetor repair kit on a Murray M25 grass trimmer. Now, I'll be honest with you, I was skeptical about this repair kit. I figured I'd put everything together and then it wouldn't run and I'd have to take it all back apart, put the original carburetor back on there, and end up just changing out the bulb and the gas line. But with the repair kit installed, the grass trimmer runs like it's brand new. It idles great, has crisper throttle response, if you will. So for less than $20, I basically have a brand new weed eater. And if you're skeptical about kits like this, you can always return them if they don't work out right. So that's just my thoughts on it. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.